the 2016 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-liter 8-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated and ventilated seats, and cruise control. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We encourage you to browse our online inventory, schedule a test drive, and investigate financing options.